A man wakes up late every day. He eats badly, wastes time, gets angry fast. Life feels heavy. Nothing big changes. Then he starts waking up on time, eats better, exercises, speaks calmly, keeps his word. Slowly, his life improves. Not suddenly, just step by step. Just follow these steps and become a man who doesn't fear anyone. 1. Take full responsibility for your actions and results. Do not blame people, luck, or situations. Own mistakes fast. Fix what you can. Learn from what you cannot change. 2. Build a daily routine and follow it even when motivation is low. Wake up at the same time, eat regular meals, sleep enough. Consistency creates stability. 3. Keep your body healthy through basic habits. Move your body every day. Drink enough water. Avoid excess junk food. A strong mind depends on a stable body. 4. Control your reactions. Do not raise your voice. Do not act on anger. Pause before responding. Calm control earns respect and prevents long-term damage. 5. Learn one useful skill seriously. Choose something practical like communication, basic finance, fitness, or a trade. Practice it daily. Skill builds confidence without noise. 6. Manage your money with discipline. Track what you earn and spend. Save a fixed part. Avoid unnecessary purchases. Financial control reduces stress and increases options. 7. Keep your word in small things first. Arrive on time. Finish tasks you start. Do not make promises you cannot keep. Reliability builds trust quietly. 8. Limit distractions. Reduce mindless screen time. Avoid late nights without purpose. Protect your focus. Attention is your most valuable resource. 9. Treat people with basic respect. Listen more than you speak. Do not insult. Do not compete for dominance. Calm strength shows through behavior, not talk. 10. Review your life every week. Write what worked and what failed. Adjust your routine. Improve one small thing at a time. Growth comes from steady correction. These are not complicated rules. These are basic habits. Do them every day. Stay patient. Real change takes time, but it lasts.